we're just just a few hours behind schedule, but we got the flat fixed. And thank you, Discount Tire number 800 in
Bullhead City, Arizona.
Yeah, near Bullhead City, Arizona, Mojave, California, whatever you want to call it. I think it's like a border town.
It's a tri-state area.
Tri-state, yeah.
So because we came through Nevada from California.
Right.
Or from Arizona. And
Right.
then Nevada. And now we're going.
Now we're going back.
Another place.
Well, that throws you off, doesn't it? But we are. Oh, look what that store sells. Oh wait, it's cocktails. Okay. Anyway, we are back heading back to Route 66 to get back on track. Not a big deal. So, thank you again, Discount Tire number 800 in Bullhead City, Arizona, Mojave, California, whatever it is here. But thank you again. You guys are great. Just outside of Kelso, California. Gotta watch for mountain goats. Look how this road is. Just goes on and on up into the mountains somewhere. Of nowhere.
Oh, excuse me, video. In the middle of nowhere on Route 66.